Welcome to today's video, Why 99% of mutual funds fail and a smarter way to invest. It sounds shocking, but here's the reality. Most mutual funds start strong, deliver a few years of great returns, attract a flood of investor money, and then their performance collapses. By the time you invest, the outperformance is usually gone. In this video, I'll break down why this happens, why chasing top-performing funds almost never works, and most importantly, the smarter, simpler strategy that can put you ahead of 99% of mutual funds. Here's what we'll cover. First, the problem. Mutual fund trap. Why most people lose even when funds look like winners. Then, the solution. A powerful yet simple strategy that combines the best of passive and active investing. And finally, the key takeaways. Practical steps you can start applying right away. Stick with me till the end, because once you understand this framework, you'll never look at mutual funds the same way again. First, let's look at the problem, the mutual fund trap. Every few years, the same story plays out. A new mutual fund starts beating the index, it gets featured among the top performers, and suddenly everyone rushes in. Its AUM balloons, and by the time you invest, the fund's performance starts slipping. On top of that, every time you exit, you pay taxes. This cycle keeps repeating, and investors keep falling for it. The harsh truth about mutual funds is that as their assets under management grow, it becomes harder for them to consistently outperform the index. A small, nimble fund might deliver great returns early on, but once it gets flooded with investor money, agility is lost and performance starts to dip. That's when most investors begin hunting for the next star performer. But this constant chasing is not investing, it's reacting to FOMO. And the result? You end up paying taxes, switching funds, and still underperforming the index. So what's the better way to invest? Instead of chasing yesterday's winners, build a strategy that works regardless of which fund is on top. So what's the smarter way? It's called the Core Plus Satellite approach. Here's how it works. Keep about 90 to 95% of your portfolio in index ETFs. This is your stable, low-cost, tax-efficient foundation. Then, once a year, identify just one or two high-potential stocks that you truly believe can beat the index. To keep discipline, commit at least 10% of your ETF portion into any stock you pick. This forces you to choose only your highest conviction ideas. You fund these picks by selling part of your ETF holdings. That's it. No chasing dozens of funds or random stock tips. Just a solid foundation with one or two focused bets each year. Why does this strategy work so well? Because your ETF base guarantees you market returns with low fees and almost zero effort. The selective stock bets give your portfolio a chance to outperform without taking massive risk. Since you're trading less, you also save on taxes. Put together, this simple framework gives you a realistic chance of beating 90% of mutual funds. So here's the key takeaway. Stop chasing hot mutual funds. It's a game you can't win. Get rid of FOMO and stick to discipline. Build wealth with index ETFs as your foundation and use selective stock picks to add alpha. This approach is simple, stress-free, and powerful in the long run. If you stick to it, you'll already be ahead of most investors.